Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today our topic is to create how to create Cashmaal account. So without wasting any time, let's move to our topic video. Here is a link, but I'll provide you link in the description, so don't forget to check the link. So here is a loading. So the website is open. Let's wait a few moments. There is a option of get started. So click on the get started, and here's the information about you need to fill: full name, email address, password, confirm password, and I'm not a robot. Okay, I'm doing this and back soon. So I have done this. So you need to be sign up. So I'm going to sign up. So here is your account sign up, but you need to be click on this link and log in here. So I'm going to log in. So without wasting any time, we are going to log in. So we are going to be login. So I log in and back. So we am going to sign in the account. So here is the loading. Yes, so our account is confirmed. So we need to set some our pin, because when we need to be transaction our amount, so the website will be need our pin password. So I'll set the password and back again. After that, you need to click on these three dots and click on the profile starting. Here is the profile settings. So we need to set up some details on here. What's happening here? Here is a disturbance. The touch is not working. So here is our account profile. So we need to set here our city name. So after that, a pin you have set. You need to be remember this password whenever you transaction your amount. After that, you need to update your profile. After that, some verification are needed to our account, so don't be worried, and I'll show you how to be here is the country option are not selected, so I'm going to select this option. Where is our Pakistan, our lovely Pakistan? So I'm gonna to search. Profile is not updated because the country was not selected, that's why. After that I need to update my profile. After that, some verifications are needed, so I'll go to my verification. So my profile is updated successfully. After that, I need to some verifications, so I'll show you the verifications. Here's the verification option. So you just need to click on the verification. You need to check on the phone, so you need to be identity and address. These are all very easily. So let's move to one of the mail. Just click on the verify mail. So they are saying that you need to open your email box. So there is a link that you will click and get the message from Cashmaal. So here is the mail. So we need to go on this. After that, we need to click on this link. So open it. Now you are seeing that email will be verified. So there is the email is verified now. After that, we need to do some more verifications. Now we